Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing today. This is an item that I ordered from eBay but shipped from Japan. And yes, the box came wrapped in like saran wrapped. I'm not sure what that is about. This is my first time having a saran wrapped box on the outside. So I thought that was interesting and peculiar. But let's just open it. I've never seen that. But hey, I guess it's, you know, for safety, I guess. Safety insurance or something, I don't know. Outside of the box is a little bit beat up. So let's hope the inside is all right. Okay. Ooh, so excited. It was nice and securely wrapped. Okay, so this is a Polaroid camera from Kodocha, and this is like a vintage rare item. I did know the box was, this box I did know was going to be a little beat up. I saw pictures and the description was very descriptive, so I was fully aware of the condition when I purchased it, but I've been having this on my wish list for like the longest time ever, and I was finally able to come across an eBay seller that had it, so I jumped right when I saw it. They also had the blue version as well, but I wanted the pink one a lot more. So yeah, that looks really, I'm really excited. I mean, so yes, it is used also. I didn't mention that, but that's to be expected. So here's what the flap looks like. The other flap. And then there's just, I guess, the instructions of how to use it, or about a case or something. I'm not sure. It was functional years ago. It hasn't been tested recently to see if it's still functioning, but even if it's not, which I'm assuming that it would not be functioning, I wanted it for collective reasons anyway. So yeah, it would be cool if it was still functioning, but I don't mind that it may not be, given its age. Voila. So here it is. Super nice. Yeah, I know that this part of the camera itself was actually in really good condition too, so look at that. Looks very nice. And here it is opened. Look how nice. I'm so excited to have this. If you watch the show Kodocha, then you would know how how often Sana takes pictures with the Polaroid. It was the blue one, but I think the pink one just looks nicer, and it has Babbitt right there too. So really excited to have this. Super nice. Very well kept. The actual camera was very well kept. So, and then down here is where the film would come out, the Polaroid. So yeah, looks super nice. I'm gonna have to get one of those like dust-free display cases, the small ones, to have this in there, because I don't want it to get like dust particles and things like that on the inside of it. But yeah, looks nice. I don't know, maybe I'll test it out and see. I can probably buy some Polaroid film off eBay again from somewhere else. So I don't know, we'll see, but I don't want to risk like it overheating or whatever could happen to a vintage Polaroid camera. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'll test it out or not, but I'll think about it. But yeah, so this is the Kodocha Polaroid camera, and I'm very happy to have it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Akito's house. How would you like my detective outfit and the Sherlock Holmes suit I borrowed from the acting troupe?
I think you may be getting kind of carried away.
And here's an instant camera. We'll use this to take a really embarrassing photo of Akito. Come on, hurry up and get out there.
No, don't make me, Sana!
This time I'll really nail that slimy Akito.
Oh, hey, Akito, what's going on? Imagine running into you out here on such a lovely evening as this. Say what happened to your hand.
Nothing.
Now you should go.
Sorry.
You little punk. What do you think you're doing?
I really got you this time, Akito. I got a nice picture of you